Welcome to Discover with Walter, where we'll uncover some of the most surprising facts about Sweden. This beautiful Scandinavian country is known for its picturesque landscapes and rich history. But there are some things that might just blow your mind. Let's dive in. Sweden's dark winters and midnight sun. If you live in the northern part of Sweden, you might experience total darkness during winter for weeks. But come summer, the sun doesn't set. The famous midnight sun offers 24 hours of daylight, perfect for those who never want the day to end. Sweden's 6-hour workday. Some companies in Sweden have experimented with a 6-hour workday to boost productivity and improve work-life balance. This controversial idea has sparked interest worldwide as people debate whether less time at work could actually lead to higher efficiency. The land of thousand islands. Sweden has more than 267,000 islands, but only around 1,000 are inhabited. It's the country with the most islands in the world. Many of these islands are part of Stockholm's stunning archipelago, a must-see for nature lovers. Parents get 480 days of paid parental leave. Sweden is famous for its generous parental leave policies. New parents get a whopping 480 days of paid leave to be shared between them. It's one of the most family-friendly countries in the world. Stockholm subway. The longest art gallery. Stockholm's metro stations are not just transport hubs. They're works of art, dubbed the world's longest art gallery. Nearly every station features colorful murals, sculptures, and stunning designs, making it a visual experience unlike any other. Sweden imports waste. Yes, you heard that right. Sweden is so efficient at recycling that it actually imports waste from other countries like Norway to fuel its waste-to-energy plants. The country is a leader in sustainability, with nearly zero waste going to landfills. The Ice Hotel. Located in the village of Jukkasjärvi, Sweden's Ice Hotel is built entirely of ice and snow each winter. What's more shocking? This icy structure is fitted with fire alarms. Each year it melts away in the spring and is rebuilt when winter arrives. Ever wondered why there's no Nobel Prize for mathematics? Sweden's famous Alfred Nobel, who founded the prestigious prizes, excluded the field. Legend has it this was due to personal reasons involving a love triangle, though that's just a rumor. Swedes love their coffee. Sweden ranks among the top countries globally for coffee consumption, with the average Swede drinking 3.2 cups of coffee daily. They even have a concept called Fika, a break where they enjoy coffee with friends. Midsummer Madness. One of Sweden's biggest celebrations is Midsummer, where people dance around maypoles, feast on herring, and drink schnapps. It's a key tradition filled with folklore, especially concerning love and fertility. Unique pirate king. Sweden once had a king who turned pirate. King Eric of Pomerania became a pirate in the 15th century after losing his throne. He led a brief but successful career as a pirate in the Baltic Sea before returning to high society. World's largest scale model of the solar system, stretching across Sweden, this unique installation represents the solar system at a 1/20 million scale. The model extends from Stockholm's Ericsson globe to Kiruna in the north. The Church of Sweden allows same-sex marriages. Sweden has long been a leader in LGBTQ+ rights. In 2009, the Church of Sweden became one of the first major Christian denominations to perform same-sex marriages, underscoring Sweden's progressive views on equality. In 1969, Sweden became the first Western country to recognize North Vietnam as an independent state. This bold political move highlighted Sweden's opposition to the Vietnam War, which influenced global perspectives. World's most northern McDonald's. Sweden is home to the northernmost McDonald's in the world, located in the small town of Rovaniemi, just outside the Arctic Circle. Sweden is full of incredible and surprising facts, from its environmental innovations to its quirky history. Which fact shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content.